Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set up the Chase application on your mobile phone. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing we have to do to be able to set up a Chase banking application on our mobile phone is to go ahead and download the application. So we're going to go ahead and do that by opening up either the Play Store application on our mobile phone, or if you have an iPhone, you want to open up the App Store. So after we have opened it up guys, it's going to go ahead and look like something like this, and we want to go ahead to the search bar at the top of the page, and we want to search for Chase Bank. So guys, go ahead and search for Chase Bank, and this will now give us a couple of options, and the first option is going to be called Chase Mobile by JP Morgan. Now guys, what we want to do is go ahead and click the install button. So guys, go ahead and click on install, and this will now start installing the application on your mobile phone, and we're going to go ahead and wait out until it installs. So as you can see, the application has successfully installed, and now we can go ahead and go back to our mobile phone homepage where we can go ahead and find the application. As you can see, here is the application, and now guys, what we want to do after we have installed the application is just go ahead and open up the application. And then for opening up the application guys, it's going to go ahead and look like something like this, where you can go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have one, you can click on the not enrolled button, and it will take you to the next page where you can go ahead and sign up for an account with Chase Banking. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.